Welcome to G-Tex Designs. This episode, we will be building part 3-32C, the boiler water gauge seal for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Let's get building. Welcome to G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode we will be building part 3-32C, the boiler water gauge seal for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Let's open up part MMGS. Alright, let's go top plane. This is pretty straightforward. This one's just a short, small cylinder. So we've got two circles, 1, 2. Smart dimension of outer one's going to be 16. Inner one's going to be 10. 10, 16, beautiful. Feature extrude, and it's going to be thickness of 2mm. And done. Let's go material. Well, rubber. Texture. Let's do a glossy rubber. There we go. And that is done. That is part 3-32C, boiler water gauge seal done for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Pretty straightforward. So if you enjoyed that, click the like button, subscribe, comment. I do appreciate it. Thank you for everyone that has. I do appreciate it. I'll see you next episode. And remember, thank you very much.